working in Canada, so it's an easy fix. So I'm trying to ring the bell, but it's not working. Let's see what is it. So first thing first is let's check what is it. So I open the cover and you can see okay, so you can see here there are two wires are connecting. So one is for this doorbell has one is for front door, one is for back door, but as you can see the back door is not connected. This is front door and it's jammed. This is back door and it's not connected, so it works. And I will change the wire from not working to the working one. So I will change from this one to this one, and it should be a very easy fix. So let's do it. So I'm gonna I'm gonna take off the wire from here, and I'm gonna put the wire on the back doorbell, the one. And the only difference is the front door has a ding dong and the back door has only ding, so one, but it still works, so which is amazing. So I have plugged in, so wire is connected. So let's test it. And moment, yeah, here it works. It works fine. Wow.
Can you press the bell?
Hey buddy, can you press the bell so we can see? and here, perfectly working. If it adds any value to you, you like the video, please like and subscribe the video. And it's working fine. It's easy fix. Broken doorbell is easy fix. This is a Canadian version. You can grab it new if you want from Canadian Tire or Home Depot, or you can fix this way. Thank you for watching. Amazing.